honey, we got up really early this morning. Yesterday we got home really late. We were looking in the rain for a long time for a lost rabbit. That rabbit, turns out it actually wasn't even lost. Someone's rabbit who they let free roam. Sometimes. I mean, people saw this rabbit crossing roads. The city people weren't even supervising this rabbit. I'm so frustrated that we did all this just for irresponsible people. You've probably got a cold now. I'm sorry. We're both so tired. I was so stressed and so worried about this rabbit. All for nothing. I guess at least it isn't, drenched and in the cold. It's better than it being dumped. I felt really frustrated. How do you feel, honey? Honey, how do you feel? Unclean? Tired? You just love me no matter what. I'm sorry that I put you through all that just for the rabbit. No, I didn't be in the rain.